Good morning from before the CME. This is Chris Robinson with your Traders Exclusive comment today, the 3rd, starting the first week here in February. Watching the money flow in the grains, multi-month lows, either last Friday or yesterday's trade, bottoming out possibly. Are we bottoming out? Are you a bottom fisher? If you're a bottom fisher, it's a better time to get out there and sink your bait and look for a strike. You had March corn, 365 in the orders. It's a 3.5-month lows. March wheat, 497.5. That's a 4-month low. And then the March beans, 955, about a 3.5-month low. We've come pretty far after the USDA report. Where are the funds? Funds are still long about 200,000 contracts of corn. Now, today's action, we've bounced a little bit higher here. It looks like maybe they're going to double up to catch up. That maybe they're going to add to their position and defend that long in the corn. That's probably the biggest pivot trade to watch. What are the funds going to do with that long position if it doesn't play out? A good chance for, again, bottom fisher to step in there and take a shot at getting long. Make sure you've got your sell stops underneath, though. You can see how fast these prices move. If you look at the livestock, $10 ranges in the feeder cattle, definitely something. If you're going to be trading the livestock, you've got to make sure that you've got your stop set because you can get run out very quickly. Very volatile markets there. A lot of people made a lot of money last year being long hogs. Hogs have done a complete reversal. They're at 4-year lows now. It took out all the support. They've lost about 1/3 of their value since their highs last summer. Again, is that an opportunity to step in there and do some bottom fishing? If you pay attention to what typically happens when the US dollar gets cheaper, it makes our commodities more attractive. So that may be what you're seeing here. You may be seeing money flow looking at that trade. The US dollar has had a great run. Is it due for a correction? Well, the only way to play that, one way to play that, is to get long some commodities. And with these commodities at multi-month lows, I think you've got some money flow stepping in there. The big thing is, though, I can't stress it enough. You got to watch the corn. The funds are long. They're defending their position. If they decide to not defend that position, we could have an elevator ride down lower. From the CME, this is Chris Robinson. Hope you make a lot of dough today.